Using lavender to repel bugs can be a great way to keep your home and garden free of pests without having to resort to harsh chemicals. Lavender is a natural insect repellent that's been used for centuries to keep pests away, and it's been proven to be effective against a variety of common bugs. It works by releasing essential oils that have a strong, sweet smell, which is unpleasant to certain insects and encourages them to stay away. In addition to its natural bug-repelling properties, lavender also has the added benefit of providing a pleasant smell in your home or garden. The scent of lavender can also be calming, which can help reduce stress and anxiety. Here's the best way to use lavender oil to repel pests. 1. Mice and other rodents. Lavender essential oil is probably the most popular option for keeping mice away. Not only is it easy to use, but mice hate the smell even more than other forms of lavender. Perhaps the most popular way to use lavender to repel mice is by making a spray using a lavender essential oil. Creating your own spray is economical, easy to do, and can be sprayed just about anywhere you think that mice may spend time. Do be careful if you have pets, because using too much lavender essential oil can be harmful. To create your own lavender essential oil spray, you're only going to need a few items: a spray bottle, real lavender essential oil, and water. Some people add rubbing alcohol to the solution, but it's not necessary. It's very important to use pure lavender essential oil. There are lots of oils that claim to be lavender, but they're just artificially scented. Take your spray bottle and fill it 3/4 of the way full. Drop in about 12 to 15 drops of the lavender essential oil, place the top on the spray bottle, and give it a gentle shake. Now you're ready to spray your solution in places where you have either spotted mice or think they're hiding out. You'll need to respray all the areas as soon as the lavender scent they hate begins to fade. Another simple way to use lavender for repelling mice is to place cotton balls treated with essential oil around your house. Put about 10 drops of the lavender essential oil into each of the cotton balls you intend to use, place them in mouse-prone areas, and leave them alone. Since the scent of the oil tends to dissipate quite quickly, you'll need to repeat this process often. If you don't, the mice are going to come back as soon as the smell is gone. 2. Flies. Lavender oil is a great scent to use when it comes to repelling flies because it's both effective at its job and it smells great. This scent also provides the luxury of having the option to employ it in many different ways. For indoor spaces, you can use lavender oil to repel flies in several ways. The first common way that people use lavender to repel flies inside is by spritzing lavender oil around problem areas such as in kitchens and around windows. A simple recipe for a fly repellent is to mix 10 drops of eucalyptus oil, 10 drops of lavender oil, and a cup of water in a spray bottle. This can be used both indoors and outdoors. Many people also use lavender oil in an oil diffuser or grind up dried lavender leaves and put them in a pouch around beds and seating areas. A very common and easy way to use lavender to repel flies is to have lavender plants growing in your yard. This can be especially helpful when planted around patios, decking, and other high-traffic outdoor areas. 3. Fleas and ticks. The scent of lavender oil naturally repels fleas and ticks, making it unlikely that any will burrow into your animal's fur. It also prevents tick eggs from hatching, so if they did make it onto your dog's skin, they would not be able to reproduce and would quickly die off. Lavender oil is extremely soothing and has antibacterial properties that help to prevent infection. To use lavender oil, you can add 5 to 10 drops of lavender to your dog's shampoo and place a few drops in your dog's water bowl. You can also add a few drops on your dog's favorite resting spot like their bedding, couch, or rug. 4. Spiders. Spiders really don't like strong scents such as citrus, peppermint, tea tree, or lavender. To make lavender spider repelling mixture, you'll need the following ingredients. Take an empty spray bottle and fill it with tap water almost to the top. Add about 10 drops of lavender essential oil. It's important the oil is 100% pure and not loaded with fillers. Then add a couple of drops of dish soap like Dawn. This will help the lavender oil mix with the water. Attach the spray trigger to the top of the bottle and lightly shake the bottle so everything combines. Next, spray this mixture on any possible spider entry points. For example, baseboards, window frames, door creases, the back of cabinets, and anywhere else you've seen spiders. You'll need to reapply every few days since the lavender scent dissipates over time. The smell of lavender oil will make the area smell fresh and keep spiders away. 5. Bedbugs. Lavender oil contains compounds known to have insecticidal properties, so it makes sense that it can be used as a natural way to get rid of bedbugs. Lavender contains compounds that can kill bedbugs and their eggs. There are a few different ways you can use lavender oil to repel bedbugs. You can add a few drops of lavender oil to a spray bottle filled with water and spritz it around the perimeter of your bed. You can also use this spray on other furniture in your home. Making a sachet and placing dried lavender flowers in a small bag and placing it under your pillow is a good idea. You can also place a few drops of lavender oil on a cotton ball and place it near where you think bedbugs may be hiding. 6. Mosquitoes. Lavender oil is a natural and safe way to help keep mosquitoes at bay. While lavender's been known to have a number of beneficial uses for the human body, this plant's also been used as a proven insect repellent for mosquitoes. The strong scent of lavender will overpower a mosquito's senses and confuse them. Linalool is the active chemical component found in lavender and is a type of alcohol, a naturally occurring product in certain plants. Linalool also helps give lavender its distinctive scent. To use lavender oil to repel mosquitoes, you can mix a few drops of lavender oil with a carrier oil such as almond oil and then apply the mixture to your skin. You can also diffuse lavender oil in your home to create an aromatic environment that will repel mosquitoes. Additionally, you can add a few drops of lavender oil to a spray bottle filled with water and then spray the solution directly onto your skin or around the area you want to keep mosquitoes away from. 7. Silverfish. Silverfish are small, wingless insects that are known for their destructive feeding habits. They can cause damage to books, paper products, and textiles. Fortunately, there's a natural solution to repel these pests, and that's lavender. You can use lavender essential oil to clean your home or as a home fragrance such as candles and diffusers to keep them away. Mix a few drops of lavender oil with water in a spray bottle and spray the affected areas. You can also add a few drops of lavender oil to your cleaning solution to repel silverfish while cleaning. 8. Ants. Like the refreshing scent it provides to your home, lavender offers a natural and effective solution to your ant problem. Ants find the intense fragrance of lavender unpleasant, making it an excellent deterrent against them. You have two simple yet effective options to utilize lavender as a natural insect repellent. First, you can place dried lavender bunches where the ants are common. The aroma from these bunches will create an anti-repellent barrier. Second, prepare a lavender spray by mixing 10 to 20 drops of lavender oil with a cup of water in a spray bottle. Spraying this solution along ant-prone areas will help keep the ants at bay and leave your home smelling wonderfully soothing. 9. Cockroaches. There's a reason why cockroaches are considered one of the worst pests to have in the home. They're difficult to get rid of, unsightly, and just plain gross. Cockroaches hate the scent of lavender so much that they'll do anything to avoid it. It doesn't matter if you use lavender essential oil, fresh lavender, or dried lavender, because it's the scent of the lavender that'll repel the roaches and even keep them away for good. To repel roaches, buy 100% essential lavender oil, fill up a spray bottle with tap water about 3/4 full, then add 15 to 20 drops of the oil. Spray the diluted lavender near any area where you've seen the roaches before, including your windowsills, door frames, and even underneath your bed. You can also spray the mixture on your kitchen cabinets and the back of your appliances. In fact, you can spray it just about anywhere you've seen roaches in the past. You can also use cotton balls and lavender oil if you wish. All you do is mix 10 drops of lavender oil with 3 ounces of your base, which can be either white vinegar, plain water, or rubbing alcohol. Soak each of the cotton balls in this mixture, squeeze them to remove the excess liquid, then place them wherever you've seen roaches in your home. Make sure you replace the cotton balls whenever they dry out so that you can continue to enjoy a pest-free home. You can also place dried or crushed lavender in bowls and place the bowls throughout your home, especially in areas where you know roaches are commonly seen. Dried lavender is sometimes a bit expensive, but keep in mind that you might not need a lot of it to get the job done because it tends to be fairly potent. You'll have to experiment to get the right amount, but this shouldn't take you long. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on how to get rid of pests with tea tree oil. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.